everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a drift car, and you guys saw that in the title. I did upload a video about that, but it corrupted. Oh wait, no, that's not what I was gonna say. I uploaded a video about that, but I already had done the coding, so I had to delete that video, and I had to show the coding again. The footage that I recorded of coding, that footage I accidentally deleted. It wasn't corrupted. Alright, so whatever. So let's create this new game. It's gonna be called drifting. Yeah. Alright, now I want to show you guys how to do this. I am uploading a video right now. Alright, so in the video I did mention you guys did see. I'm kind of bad at English. Alright, so what I meant to say there, I said you guys did see that I had the real Minecraft, but what I meant to say was you guys do see that I have the real Minecraft, not did, okay? So this video has the explanation for that one, okay? Well, now we have to make a car. And no, this. Yeah, we have to remove layer by layer until we reach all the way to the bottom. Okay, so just like that. I think I'm gonna have to get this tiny horse, this convertible. Okay, I'm gonna edit this car first. Alright, everybody, now I just have to open this car. Okay, because I have made the car now. I know it looks weird opening a flipping car. The car is not flipping. The car is not flipping like that. Or something like that. Anyway, yeah, onto the coding because yeah, we're not even that much minutes long in the video. Oops. Okay, so you're gonna you're going to have to get the camera follow. All you have to do is just open up fancade, go to the build icon, and then scroll down to the blocks, use scripts and art, and then just take the camera follow. And then yeah, you're going to add, yeah, it's going to be right here, as you can see the camera follow. Alright, so now I have written down the coding on a book. It took not too long. Alright, so we have to pull out add force set locked and go to the objects and set position, not get position, and just open that up and then put this and this just a few distances away, and no, this just a few distances away. Okay, And then I'm kind of moving those a little away from the car so that we can see the car, we can open and close it. Alright, now we just have to go to the variables and get object and set object, and then put the set object on top of the add force, like it has to be connected just like that, and then the value connected to the car. And make sure you do this, press local, which gives you the $sign, and just press write anything you like. So for now I'm just going to write the letter P, which stands for player. $player, S player also, whatever. Now just connect all of this with each other, and you don't have to connect anything with this part. Alright, so now what you're gonna do, yeah, connect that there, and then just write the same thing as you wrote on the set object. You're gonna use get object for this one, and then this is the set object. And just like that, copy all of that on here. Oopsie. Alright, yeah, things are going pretty well. Okay, now we have to go to the math folder and get subtract. No, oh my god. Okay, grab scale. This subtract vectors is not necessary for this part. And I'm gonna have to move all of this a little away again. Now for this part we need the number and the joystick, because the car is going to be controlled by a joystick. Now connect the number to there, and then turn it into 5. Then put a joystick there, and again, yeah, we're moving it. Whoa. Okay. What? Wow, that is a lot of minutes in this video. Alright, so whatever. Yeah, just get that, and then this shouldn't take too long. Then now grab out, go to the math folder quickly. Then grab look rotation, then the subtract vectors, and yeah, just connect it like that and like that. Then connect this vector 1 up there, and then just have to okay. Now for the last part, the last part is the camera, and yeah, this shouldn't be so long. Just grab the vector and then go to the camera, grab that, and then just connect the target onto the car, and then this just goes here, and then keep it like that, and yeah, you're done with it. Now I'll make a simple level. Okay, so now before I play the level, I need to tell you something important. Don't keep the car on top of there, because then it will move the whole thing, and you might be wondering it's because of the gluing, but don't remove the gluing. don't remove the gluing, because if you do, then the car will collapse. That's why. So you might be wondering what is the solution for this issue. Well, just do this, what I'm doing right here. Put that car on top of that block and then just let it fall onto the level, and then yeah, you can drive. And let me show you the drifting. It works perfectly. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in another video. If you want more videos like this, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye.